Good evening, children. Today, what I'll be discussing here in this particular chapter would be formulas or concepts related to three-dimensional figure. इसके पहले जो चैप्टर था वहां पर we dealt with two-dimensional objects. Now we'll be dealing with three-dimensional objects, right? Okay, any kid who can help me, what objects are three-dimensional? Any examples related to three-dimensional objects or figures in geometry? Anyone who can help me here? Uh, Nishita is correct. Shreya says remote. Shreya cube is correct. Sphere. Yeah, Omkar from Chembur is also correct. Yeah, so there are many three-dimensional objects. Yeah, Nishita, that is also correct. Shreya is correct. See, this right here, this box is nothing but an example of a cuboid. It is a three-dimensional object, right? Likewise, this object right here, which you can see it on the screen, right? It is cylindrical in shape, isn't it? Right? So those two were the examples of three-dimensional figure. Likewise, we have a cube, we have a sphere, we have a hemisphere, we have pyramids, and so on and so forth, right? We'll be discussing few three-dimensional objects in this particular chapter. I would like to start with this particular object, that is a cuboid. Now, can somebody give me certain examples related to a cuboid to start with? Cuboid का कोई real life में आपने अगर कुछ, yeah, box as we have seen earlier, perfect. Yeah, matchbox is also an example of a cuboid, right? What else? A pencil box, a brick, beautiful, right? So many examples we can think of, right? A mobile, maybe, yeah. So moving ahead, I hope everybody now knows how a cuboid looks like. I'm just trying to draw a cuboid. Forgive me if something goes wrong, right? I hope everybody understands this is a cuboid, right? Now, this cuboid, children, has six surfaces. I hope everybody must be sitting inside their particular rooms, maybe bedrooms, hall, or whatever rooms, right? अच्छा ये रूम कैन आई कंसिडर इट एज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड इजंट इट? हम लोग एक क्यूबॉइड के अंदर ही बैठे हुए हैं, राइट? परफेक्ट. नाउ जस्ट लुक अराउंड द रूम एंड टेल मी हाउ मेनी सरफेसेस डज दिस क्यूबॉइड और रूम हैव? एक क्यूबॉइड के पास टोटल कितने सरफेसेस होते हैं? ओमकार फ्रॉम चेंबूर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. He says the answer is 6. Deepika is also correct. Yeah. I hope you kids might have counted all the surfaces. चार तो दीवारें हो जाती है, right? आगे पीछे and both on either sides. And then ऊपर और नीचे जो horizontal surfaces है. So there are two horizontal surfaces and four vertical surfaces, right, children? So if I talk about the vertical surfaces, this is the first one right here in the figure. ये जो है second one. अच्छा, this is the third one and this one is the fourth one, right? So चार vertical surfaces है. Now before we move ahead, let's say this dimension I call it as length, right? This dimension I call it as breadth, and this dimension I call it as height of this cuboid. Now talking about the formula related to area of vertical surfaces, which is also known as vertical surface area. मतलब चारों दीवारों का एरिया हमको ढूंढना है. The question is how do we find it? Okay, before we move ahead, I would like to ask you a particular question, which is, can somebody help me with what is area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle क्या है? Anyone? What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Perfect. L into B. Right? So we all know area of rectangle is length into breadth. And believe me children, अगर आपको area of rectangle पता है, you can very easily find area of the vertical surfaces, that is vertical surface area. The question is how? Let us understand. अब चार दीवारें हैं vertical. Let us consider any one wall randomly. Let's say I consider this. Now the shape of this wall, children, ये wall का shape क्या दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को? It is perfect rectangular in shape, right? So we all know area of rectangle in general is length into breadth. Perfect. But यहाँ पर क्योंकि dimensions को हमने specifically नाम दिया है b and h, the formula will change and become b into h. It is same as like l into h. I hope that is clear. Any problem with this, just let me know. I'm talking about area of this particular wall right here. Any doubts? B into H कैसे आया? किसी को कुछ डाउट है? Okay, since there are no comments, I assume there are no doubts, right? Thank you, Deepika, for acknowledging. Okay, now children, the next question from my end would be, अगर इसका एरिया B into H है, ये फ्रंट वॉल का, so is there any other wall जिसका सेम एरिया होगा या वो exactly same है? Any other wall which is exactly similar to this? Yes, the opposite one, the wall which is behind, right? So that means अगर एक का एरिया 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है तो दूसरे का भी एरिया 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, मतलब एक का एरिया b इंटू एच है तो दूसरे का भी एरिया b इंटू एच. So I've got area of the side which is in front and which is at the end behind. Now we need to find area of those two sides which are, on the sides. Perfect. Now, area of this surface, again, it is rectangular in shape. Normally, the formula is length into breadth, but here the dimensions are L and H. So it has to be L into H. इसके जैसा क्योंकि एक और wall है, I would write it as L into H. Now, children, tell me what is X plus X? What is X plus X? 2X. Beautiful. Likewise, BH plus BH क्या हो जाएगा? BH plus 2BH, sorry, BH plus BH क्या हो जाएगा? 2BH, isn't it? Plus LH plus LH क्या हो जाएगा? Correct, 2LH. Do we have something common here, children, in both the terms? Yes, 2 is common, दोनों में 2 दिखाई दे रहा है, and H is common. So अगर 2 और H कॉमन ले लिया B बचता है, प्लस 2 और H कॉमन ले लिया L बचता है. The same formula 2HB plus L is written in the textbook as 2 into length plus breadth into height. The formula is written as 2 into length plus breadth into height. I hope that is clear. So basically what I want you kids to do is to remember this formula, and VSA is a shortcut abbreviation which I will be using in my lecture. You cannot write it in exams, the shortcut. You have to write it vertical surface area. I hope that is clear. So vertical surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length plus breadth into height. So you can just draw the figure and copy the formula. Be very quick. If you want, you may copy the explanation as well, or else you can just directly copy the final formula. Because I expect you all to remember the final formula. That's it. Nobody would be asking you the derivation. Let me know once you people are done copying. Wow, Tanishka from JB Nagar has already finished. Waiting for other kids to acknowledge. Shubhra from DN Nagar has already finished. And Ayushi and Param and Dhananjay Antara Dhananjay Jadhav has finished. Deven has finished. Siddhi, Tu, Nishita, and yeah. So I think so. Majority of the kids have already finished, right? Moving on to the next part. Now we have spoken about vertical surface area. The next concept, children, I would like to talk about would be total surface area. Logically speaking, what would be the difference between vertical surface area and total surface area? क्या difference होने वाला है? Only the horizontal surfaces, isn't it? अगर आप वो रूम में बैठे हो, उस रूम के बारे में सोचोगे, तो 4 वर्टिकल दीवारों को छोड़ करके अगर मुझे टोटल एरिया चाहिए, राइट, तो आई हैव टू इंक्लूड द हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेसेस. दैट मींस ये फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा, ये सेम रहेगा 2BH 2LH. उसमें सिर्फ ऊपर वाला सरफेस का एरिया और नीचे वाले सरफेस का एरिया ऐड हो जाएगा, राइट? सो आई वुड लाइक टू बिगिन दिस बाय सेइंग total surface area of a cuboid will be nothing but the vertical surface area, children, which was 2BH plus 2LH, right? 2BH plus 2LH. Now, I would like to talk about the figure right here. If I talk about the horizontal surfaces, the bottom one to be precise, so again it is a rectangle. This time the dimensions I've named them as L and B. So the formula would be LB. अच्छा, उसके जैसा एक और surface है ऊपर की तरफ. So LB plus LB has to be 2 times LB, 2LB, right? Now just think and tell me तीनों terms में क्या common है? All the 3 terms, what do they have in common? Right, 2. So I've taken 2 common. What is left inside the bracket is BH plus LH plus LB, right? Now, how do I remember this formula? Very simple. What I'll do is I'll just write LB first, then BH plus LH. It does not matter आप किसको पहले लिखते हो. मैंने LB पहले लिखा, फिर BH, फिर LH. तो तुम लोग पूछोगे सर फिर भी याद कैसे हुआ आपको? I'll tell you there is a simple trick. What you have to remember is this step. L into B into H. अच्छा, ये जो LBH है, इससे ये कैसे याद होगा? Pretty much simple, I'll tell you. First is the product of first two. L into B. LB इधर आ गया. Then second और third का product ले लो. तो BH यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है. Then first and third का product LH आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई देगा. So it is like first, second, second, third, and first third, which you can see here. I hope everybody has understood the trick, right? So the abbreviation here has to be TSA, total surface area. Again, you cannot use it in exams. You lose marks. You have to write down the full form. Hope everybody has understood the formula. Just copy this much. Then I'll talk about the last concept related to a cuboid. Okay, Soham from Ghatkopar has finished copying, and Deepika from Saidham, and Antara from DN Nagar. Tanishka has finished too. Param, Ayushi finished. Shubhra ने 2 बार लिखा था. Right, I hope most of the kids might have finished copying this. Right. So moving on to the next concept and the last concept related to a cuboid will be volume. Now, what is volume? Volume is nothing but space occupied by an object. right? I hope you kids must have realized by now that those books, कोई भी book आप ले लो, they are example of a cuboid, right? जैसे ये text book है, I would like to zoom out slightly here, right? This is an example of a cuboid. I'll just consider the last page here. I hope everybody can see it, or let us put it like this: the first page. Yeah, I would do that, Devin. Don't worry. As of now, pay attention here. Children, tell me what is the shape of this particular page? ये पेज का शेप क्या है? रेक्टेंगल. If I consider this dimension as length and this dimension as breadth, right? Breadth. Can I state the area has to be nothing but length into breadth? एरिया मतलब एक वैल्यू होगा 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, यस या नो? राइट. अब इसके जैसा एग्जैक्ट लेंथ वाला एंड एग्जैक्ट ब्रेथ वाला एक और पेज अगर मैं सिलेक्ट करूं, एग्जैक्ट लेंथ एंड एग्जैक्ट ब्रेथ वाला एक और पेज में सिलेक्ट करूं, तो उसका भी एरिया सेम होगा या कुछ अलग होने वाला? सेम, राइट? सो इनिशियली इफ इट वाज 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, तो ये भी 10 है, तो 10 प्लस 10 20. मतलब कैन आई स्टेट इट इज लाइक LB प्लस LB 2LB हो गया, isn't it? Yes. If I consider one more page, the area has to be 3LB, 4LB, 5LB, 6LB, 7LB, 8LB and so on and so forth. ऐसा करके जो भी पेज नंबर है, जैसे यहाँ पे I can see 120 and this is 121. So 121 LB. Children, what is that 121? The page number which we are talking about. It is nothing but the height factor, isn't it? Yes या no? और ये जब मैं कॉन्सेप्ट करते गया, मैंने जब सबका एक ये एरिया ऐड किया, तो मुझे टोटल एरिया, टोटल स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड बाय दिस बुक मिला. यस या नो? दैट वाज नथिंग बट द बेस एरिया. मतलब बेस अगर रेक्टेंगुलर है तो उस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया इनटू हाइट, जितना भी नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है, राइट? सो वॉल्यूम, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट चिल्ड्रन, आई कैन कंसिडर इट एज बेस का एरिया, बेस एरिया इनटू height. So the base area here we all can see it is nothing but rectangle, right? Rectangle है, तो base का length into, I'll just zoom in. Yeah, so it is length into breadth, right? The base. So L into B, and we all know the height has been denoted by H. So volume का formula is L into B into H, right? Yeah, Devin, here is the last formula. You can just go ahead and copy it. Volume is nothing but L into B into H. LBH, LBH. कुछ याद आया? MDH मसाला वैसा, right? ये सिर्फ याद रखने के लिए, right? So here is the last formula. Hope Devin you have finished this too. Okay, assuming all the kids must have finished. Volume is nothing but base area into height. Yeah. Moving on to practice set 16.1. Yeah. So I'll just read out question number 1 here, children. Practice set 16.1. Find the volume of a box if its length, breadth and height are 20, 10.5 and 8 centimeter respectively. I hope everybody knows respectively का meaning. Length अगर पहले लिखा है तो length का value is 20. Breadth बीच में है तो बीच वाला value will be corresponding value of breadth. And the last one is height, so height ka value is 8, right? So basically we are talking about a box. Box ka shape, if all the three values are different, all the three values which are being provided are different, has to be nothing but cuboidal in shape, right? So we are talking about a cuboidal box or a cuboid. I hope everybody is clear. So we are talking about a cuboid and we need to find the volume of that cuboid. Okay. Length has been given to us as 20 centimeter. Breadth has been given to us as 10.5 centimeter and height has been given to us as 8 centimeter. We need to find the volume, right? Hope everybody has understood this much, right? Moving ahead with the solution, we all know formula for volume of cuboidal box is L into B into H, right? Sorry. Volume of cuboidal box is L into B into H. L का value 20 into B का value 10.5 into H का value is 8, right? So, 0 will get adjusted with the 0.5. So it is like 2 into 105. I hope everybody knows that. 0 ka concept with the decimal point. If there is any kid who does not knows what I'm talking about, please let me know. We may discuss. 0, it is like 2 into 10. So 10 into 10.5 is like 105. तो 105 into 2 करोगे तो उसका double 105 का, which is 210. Still, if you don't understand, just multiply 20 and 10.5, you'll get this answer into 8, right? 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay, now can somebody help me here with the unit for volume? What is supposed to be the unit? Shubhra says centimeter. I'll tell you that is wrong. Yeah, CU what? Tanishka is correct, but partially correct, half correct. क्यूबिक मिलीमीटर बोला वो भी रॉन्ग है. इट इज क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. अच्छा, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर का मतलब क्या है? बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं CuCm. कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर का भी फुल फॉर्म लिख सकते हो, और इफ यू वांट यू मे राइट इट एज सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सबका एक ही मीनिंग है, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, राइट? बट ये आया कैसे? एग्जाम में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. आई टेल यू इट इज वेरी सिंपल. एल का वैल्यू वाज नेवर 20, इट वाज 20 सेंटीमीटर. बी का वैल्यू अगेन वाज नेवर 10.5, इट वाज 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. लाइकवाइज दिस इज नॉट 8 सेंटीमीटर है. तो उसके साथ यहां पर एक सेंटीमीटर है, यहां पर एक सेंटीमीटर है, और यहां पर एक सेंटीमीटर है. तो जैसे x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर होता है, वैसे ही सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर हैज टू बी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, यानी क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. इज दैट क्लियर? दैट इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. एनी डाउट्स प्लीज लेट मी नो. यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी द सम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है प्रैक्टिस सेट 6.1 का, सॉरी 16.1. Yeah, Vedant has finished copying. Deven too. Soham too. Param too. Ayushi has also finished copying. Amberlyn as well. Antra as well. Nishita too. So I can see most of the kids have already finished copying. In case if any kid haven't, kindly take a screenshot because I'll be moving on to the next sum now. Okay. Question number 2, right? A cuboid shaped soap bar has volume 150 cc. अच्छा cc लिखा है, उसका भी मतलब cubic centimeter ही होता है, right? So again we are talking about a cuboidal shaped soap bar, right? So we are talking about a cuboid जिसका वॉल्यूम दिया है 150 cc. अच्छा cc का मीनिंग क्या है? क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. That is also correct, right? So volume is 150. Find its thickness if its length is 10 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay. So what do we need to find, children? Thickness. Thickness of what? The soap bar, right? So if I talk about thickness, can somebody help me कि अगर एक क्यूबॉइड का मैं थिकनेस का बात कर रहा हूँ, जैसे ये क्यूबॉइड हो गया, इसका थिकनेस का बात कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस थिकनेस फॉर द क्यूबॉइड, चिल्ड्रन? We know the length, we know the breadth, we need to talk about thickness, matlab height. Perfect. So what we need to find is height, right? So talking about solution, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम दिया है, I'll be using the formula for volume, which is length into breadth into height. Volume का value is 150, so I would like to substitute the value right here. 150 is equal to length का value is 10 and breadth का value is 5 into h. Now in order to find h, we have to keep h alone, right? तो h को अलोन रखने के लिए 10 और 5 को हमको दूसरी तरफ शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है तो उधर जाके डिवीजन हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इट वुड बी लाइक 150 अपॉन 10 into 5, right? 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. Therefore h is equals to 3 centimeter, and therefore you may put the final answer as height of cuboid shaped soap bar is 3 centimeter, right? So you may just copy this up. It is question number 2. Let me know once you are done copying. Okay, right. Just give me a minute. So, moving on to the next sum. But before we move on to the next sum, I would like to, kind of discuss a concept here. What shape is this, children? Better way, I use the word thickness, but height लिखा तो wrong नहीं है, right? The shape of this object is nothing but circle, right? And we all know area of circle is nothing but pi r square, right? Okay. Exact. अभी मेरे पास 2 रुपए का coins है नहीं, तो I am just using whatever coin available. You just assume that it is a 2 rupee coin, right? तो सेम शेप का एक और कॉइन मैंने इसके ऊपर प्लेस किया, तो अब टोटल स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड कितना हो गया? पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर इज 2 pi r square, right? एक और 2 rupee का coin, I place it right here. So that makes it how much? 3 pi r square, right? एक और coin, it will make it 4 pi r square, right, children? So here, what I want you all to learn is basically the total space occupied. ठीक है, जो volume था is nothing but, right, total volume. अच्छा, what is the shape when I consider a stack of coins? ऐसे 1 2 रुपए का कॉइन, 2 2 रुपए का कॉइन, 3 2 रुपए का कॉइन और 4 2 रुपए का कॉइन। तो ये जो शेप है सारे कॉइन्स का ये सेम रखना। आई डोंट हैव द सेम कॉइन, हेंस देयर इज दिस ट्रबल। बट इफ द size of all the circles is same, what would be the shape which you will be observing, children? कौन सा शेप दिखाई देगा? इनिशियली इट वाज अ सर्कल, नाउ इट हैज बिकम अ, क्या दिखाई दे रहा है ऑल टुगेदर? सिलेंडर। ब्यूटीफुल दीपिका, राइट? So total volume, yani I'm talking about volume of a cylinder, right? Is nothing but 1 2 3 4 total कितना circles था? 4, right? So can I state it is nothing but 4 into area of one circle, isn't it? Yes या no? सेम ही चीज आएगा ना। टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर, इसका पूरा वॉल्यूम इज नथिंग बट 4 इंटू एरिया ऑफ वन सर्कल। एक सर्कल का जो एरिया है उसको 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दो। तो वैसा ही कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग नेक्स्ट सम में यूज करने वाले हैं, राइट? आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इन द नेक्स्ट सम which we'll be dealing with, right? Okay, so here is the next sum, which is question 3. Let us understand the sum. How many bricks of length 25 centimeter, breadth 15 and height 10 centimeter are required to build a wall of length 6 meter, height 2.5 meter and breadth 0.5 meter? So what I understood from the question is they have asked us number of bricks. How many bricks का मतलब what we need to find is total कितना bricks लगेगा, right? अच्छा, bricks का कुछ length, breadth और height दिया है children. So I would mention it. The length is 25 centimeter, the breadth is 15 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. तो ये था brick के बारे में, right? Now I like to talk about the wall which they have specified in the question. Wall का length has been given to as a 6 meter, right? I hope everybody knows meter is quite bigger with respect to a centimeter, right? Breadth has been given to us as 0.5 meters. Right, breadth is 0.5 and height is 2.5 meters. अच्छा, जैसे I hope you kids remember the cylinder was made up of smaller circles. वैसे ही this wall, children, is basically made up of smaller bricks, right? Smaller bricks. तो स्मॉलर ब्रिक्स यानी स्मॉलर सर्कल के बदले क्या आ जाएगा? एरिया, और मे बी आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक इट एज वॉल्यूम, राइट? क्योंकि मैं तभी एरिया टर्म यूज कर रहा था, अभी वॉल्यूम करेंगे। वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक, राइट, इज इक्वल्स टू, ये हम लोग लेते हैं टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल, राइट? तो टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल, चिल्ड्रन, कैन आई स्टेट इट विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक इनटू number of bricks. I hope everybody has understood this formula. ये क्या लिखा है मैंने? ये फॉर्मूला को रिलेट करके मैंने ये फॉर्मूला लिखा है। टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल हैज टू बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक। जैसे यहाँ पे एक सर्कल को मल्टीप्लाई किया था हमने, टोटल जितना नंबर ऑफ सर्कल था, वैसे इधर एक ब्रिक का वॉल्यूम हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? पूरे वॉल का वॉल्यूम, because wall is made up of bricks. Likewise, cylinder was made up of circle, right? Any doubts here? How did this formula came? Just let me know. Hope everybody has understood it. Kindly acknowledge. Nishita is the only child who has acknowledged. So if yes, I would just copy this formula on the next page. Right. So everybody has understood it. Volume of Okay, before we move ahead, okay, I'll just jot down the formula first. Volume of wall is equals to number of bricks into volume of one brick. Before we move ahead with the solution, there are two options. Either convert all the centimeter to meter ताकि सारे एक यूनिट में आ जाए, और कन्वर्ट ऑल द मीटर्स इनटू सेंटीमीटर. नाउ आई विल टेल यू व्हाट मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्जन बहुत इजी है. We all know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 6 meter has to be 6 into 100, which is 600 centimeter. Likewise, 0.5 into 100, right? 0.5 into 100 will become 50 centimeter, and this will become 25 centimeter, right? Sorry, 250, my mistake. 250 centimeter. I hope everybody has understood the conversion. In case you haven't, just let me know. I'll wait here for a few seconds and then move ahead. What have I done? I've just multiplied all the three numbers by 100 and I've got the conversion. Right. What is our aim, children, here? To find number of bricks, right? So in order to find this, we need to find both of them, right? अब volume of wall के बारे में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? If you look at the wall, children, in general, any wall, right? What shape is this wall basically? Wall का shape क्या होता है? In general, I'm talking about. What is the shape of a wall? रेक्टेंगल, बट रेक्टेंगल बेटा टू डायमेंशनल हो जाता है, और वॉल का थिकनेस इतना पतला होता नहीं है कि उसको देख. रेक्टेंगल किसको बोलता है? ये पेज को, राइट? क्योंकि इसका थिकनेस बहुत कम है. बट ऐसे ही मैं अगर 100 पेजेस ऐड कर दूं, उसका थिकनेस यानी हाइट कंसिडरेबल हो जाता है. हेंस वी कॉल इट एज अ क्यूबॉइड. तो वैसे ही दीवार के साथ भी है. रेक्टेंगुलर उसका सरफेस है, बट इट इज बेसिकली अ क्यूबॉइड. परफेक्ट. So we are talking about volume of a cuboidal wall basically, which is nothing but L into B into H, और यहाँ पर भी L B H है. So in order to avoid confusion, we will just call it as L1, B1, H1, और इन तीनों को हम लोग बोलेंगे L2, B2, H2. मतलब वॉल का जो भी डिनोटेशन है L2, B2, H2, और ब्रिक का जो भी डिनोटेशन है L1, B1, H1. So now since I'm talking about the wall, it has to be L2 into B2 into H2 because it is volume of a cuboidal wall. L2 into B2 into H2 is equal to number of bricks into, okay, volume of one brick. Again children, if you have seen a brick, brick का shape क्या होता है? What is shape of a brick, children? Right, it is cuboidal in shape and hence L1 into B1 into H1. Right. अब ये जो पूरा तीन टर्म्स है, इनको मैं यहां पर शिफ्ट कर देता हूं. लेकिन ये पूरा पूरा तीन टर्म्स जो है और ये टर्म है, इसके बीच में there is a multiplication, right? The operator is multiplication, and since this term I'm shifting it on the other side, multiplication changes and becomes division, right? So it has to be L2 into B2 into H2 upon L1 into B1 into H1 is equals to number of bricks. Now I hope you kids can copy this much, substitute the value of L2 which is 600, B2 which is 50, and H2 is 250, and likewise L1, B1, H1 का value substitute करो and let me know what the answer is, right? So copy this much, substitute the value, let me know what the answer is. I hope you all can do the cancellation. Soham has got the answer is 2000. Yeah, that's correct. See, I'll tell you, it is quite simple. After substitution, what you do is you cancel 0. Yeah, Tanishka has also got it. 0, 0 is cancelled. 25 ones are 25 ones are. Right? Now, 5 threes are 5 tens are. Right? 3 ones are 3 200s are. So 200 into 10 is 2000. Therefore, that is our final answer. Number of bricks is equals to 2000. Once finished, let me know so that we can move on to the next sum. Right. So moving on to the next sum. Just let me get a page, children. Right. So here is question number 4 from the same exercise, of course. For rainwater harvesting, right? For rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 meter. So the length is 10 meter. The breadth is 6 meters and the depth, अच्छा टैंक का डेप्थ यूजुअली दिया है मतलब वो जमीन के नीचे है बट चिल्ड्रन डेप्थ भी अगर मैं बात करूं राइट it is basically nothing but height, isn't it? So depth is nothing but the height of the cuboid, which is 3 meters given to us in the question. What is the capacity of the tank? अच्छा तीनों values अलग है, hence we are talking about a cuboidal tank, right? अगर तीनों values same होते तो it would have been a cubical tank, right? That is the only difference between a cuboid and a cube. Cuboid में values अलग अलग होते हैं मतलब and cube में तीनों values same होते हैं, length, breadth और height, right? Now, what is the capacity of the tank? Children, we all know capacity is nothing but the amount of liquid which it can store in it, which is nothing but the space which can be occupied. और space occupied मतलब क्या होता है? Volume. So basically, we are talking about volume, right? तो हमको वॉल्यूम ढूंढना है क्यूबॉइड का जिसका लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट पता है. वंस वी हैव फाउंड आउट द वॉल्यूम, क्वेश्चन में ये भी पूछा है हाउ मेनी लीटर ऑफ वाटर कैन इट होल्ड. मतलब आंसर हमको मीटर क्यूब में आने वाला है और वो मीटर क्यूब को हमको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. डोंट वरी, आई विल हेल्प यू विद द कन्वर्जन, बट फर्स्ट फाइंड द कैपेसिटी यानी वॉल्यूम, राइट? So volume, that is the capacity, is length into breadth into height, which is 10 into 6 into 3, right? So that is how much, children? Right, it is 180 meter cube, right? cc नहीं आएगा बेटा, it has to be cubic मीटर, बट सीएम लिखोगे तो वो सेंटीमीटर के तौर पे लिखता है. सो बेटर rather than writing cc, you write it as cubic meter, cu.m. that would be more efficient, right? Confusion नहीं होगा टीचर को. So volume is 180 meter cube or cubic meter. But now in the question they have requested us to convert cubic meter into liters. So how do I do that? Very simple. You should just remember this conversion, children, which is 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. So likewise, tell me what would be 2 meter cube? 2 into 1000 liters, right? 3 meter cube, 3 into 1000, 4 meter cubes, 4 into 1000 हो जाएगा. वैसे ही 180 meter cube is how many liters of water? Therefore volume has to be 180 into 1000 liters हो जाएगा. जैसे ही हम लोग into 1000 करते हैं, it gets converted into liters. 180,000. So unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 1,80,000 liters of water can be stored in the tank is your answer, right? The amount of water which can be stored in the tank is 1,80,000 liters. Hope everybody has finished copying this. Right. We move on to the next concept now, which is cylinder, right? That's it. After learning about cylinder, we would stop, children. So don't worry. That would be the last concept for the day. So cylinder. Can somebody give me certain examples of a cylinder in day-to-day life? I've already shown you a cylinder at the start of the session, right? Right. Yeah, bottle, water bottle, container, pipe, gas cylinders. Drum क्या होता है? I'm not sure what is a drum. I hope you might have seen candles. Candles are a drum. Yeah, drum is correct. Batteries are cylindrical in shape. Perfect. Right, right, right. So I hope you kids know how a cylinder looks like. It looks something like this. Now, how many surfaces does a cylinder have? जैसे क्यूबॉइड के पास 6 surfaces थे, वैसे सिलेंडर के पास टोटल कितना surfaces है? The answer is 3. Perfect. One at the top, which is circular, one at the bottom, which is again circular, and the third surface, children, जो बाजू में होता है, around it, right? Now that surface which is, all around it is not a flat surface, right? It is basically a curved surface. Hence, we call it as a curved surface, right? So there are 2 flat circular faces and 1 curved surface. I hope that is clear. Let's say this is the radius of the cylinder and this be the height, right? ये 90 होता है और ये आपका height हो जाएगा. So there are 2 terms, radius and height for a cylinder. Now we would be talking about curved surface area. Right. What do you want me to do? Directly write down the formula, or do you want me to explain how it comes? Because in exams, nobody would be asking how the formula is derived. At the end of the day, you have to ratify the formula, right? Yeah, so kids are requesting me to directly write down the formula, which is curved surface area is nothing but, for a cylinder, it is 2 pi r into h. That is your curved surface area. The abbreviation would be CSA, right? Next is total surface area. That would be 2 pi r plus h. I've just directly written the formula. And the third and the last formula, which I want you all to remember, is volume is pi r square h. It is like the base area, which is area of circle into height, right? So these are the 3 formulas. Give the heading as cylinder, the figure, and copy the 3 formulas. right? If you have finished copying, I'll give you 1 minute to ratify these three formulas as well as the three formulas related to the cuboid. Then maybe depends upon my mood, I'll unmute a kid and I'll be asking them the formulas. There are six formulas to be learned. Vertical surface area of a cuboid, total surface area of a cuboid, volume of a cuboid, likewise curved surface area of a cylinder, total surface area of a cylinder, and volume. Okay, Sneha has finished by hearting as well. Beautiful, Sneha. Okay. Please tell the formulas of a cuboid. तो किधर थी एम्बरलिन? तू पहले भी तो बताया मैंने. I had explained it. Vertical surface area of a cuboid 2 into L plus B into H. Total surface area of a cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Volume of a cuboid L into B into H. Start of the lecture आज वही किया था. Rudra, I guess you don't have a history lecture today. आपको लिंक मिला होगा ना? I'll have to check. सिर्फ मेरा लेक्चर है और फिर आई गेस संस्कृत का लेक्चर है कुछ 7:30 के आसपास. नॉट श्योर दो. यस, राइट. सो आई वुड लाइक टू गो हेड विद द एक्सरसाइज एंड सिर्फ एक सम करेंगे हम लोग. देन विल स्टॉप. प्रैक्टिस सेट 16.2, right? Yeah, today is maths and Sanskrit, correct. So question number 1. In each example given below, radius of the base of the cylinder and its height are given. So radius, first sum is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter, and we are talking about a cylinder, right? It has been mentioned in the question. Find curved surface area as well as total surface area. So the abbreviations I would write it as CSA and TSA. Exam में abbreviations नहीं चलेंगे. So CSA, the formula is 2 pi RH. I hope you kids know pi ka value. If it is not given, we may substitute it as 22 upon 7 or even as 3.14. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into R ka value is 7 into H ka value is 10. 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44 into 10, which is 440. Since it is centimeter and it is area, centimeter square or square centimeter, however you want to write. I hope that is fine, right? Next thing is total surface area, which is 2 pi r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, क्योंकि रेडियस का वैल्यू 7 है, ब्रैकेट में 7 plus 10. 7 cut, again 44 into 70. You just multiply them, you'll have your answer. And at the end, you have to put a final statement. Therefore, curved surface area and total surface area are 440 and, thank you Sneha, 748 square centimeter, right? Okay, so first, I hope everybody has understood this. Dinesh or Sneha ko to samjha hai. What about others? Hope you kids have understood it. Amberlin as well, Deven as well. So children, I would like to stop the lecture here, but before we stop, क्योंकि हमने first sum किया है first का, I would like to give second, third, fourth and fifth sub questions, right? Sub questions of the first question as homework. तो 16.2 का 1, 2, 3, 4 sub questions I'll be giving it as homework. Yeah, I would show the sum again, and if there are any queries, please ask. Here is the sum. 2, 3, 4 and 5 would be homework. Yeah, those are very easy, Dinesh, right? अरे क्या बात है, स्नेहा को सेकंड सम का आंसर भी मिल गया. गुड, वेरी फास्ट. Right, I hope all the other kids have also finished it, at least this sum. Sneha, you can check the answers mentioned behind the textbook. Yeah, it is 18.48, correct. Right? Yeah, thank you so much, children, and God bless you all. Bye.